Bitcoin Cash may register a 4.5% decline tomorrow according to CoinLore. Let's kick things off by looking at the latest price movement. Bitcoin Cash has risen 0.9% in the past 24 hours and is trading right around $451.70. Let's scan the expert predictions today. The forecast by CoinPrice Forecast suggests $451 by March 10, a value about 0.1% lower than now. Trader Sunyan expects Bitcoin Cash could move down toward $447.45, roughly 0.9% lower. 30 rates points out it could head toward $437 on the downside, about 3.2% lower. Another projection from CoinLore indicates Bitcoin Cash may slide to $431.39, a loss estimated at 4.5%. And to end, CoinDataFlow believes the price could reach $426.42 by March 10, showing a 5.6% drop. This is the most profitable pick. We've heard from all five. Let's continue the analysis. Summing up the forecasts from all analysts, here's what we've got. After compiling all the forecasts together, the price is expected to shift somewhere between a decrease of 5.6% and a decrease of 0.1%, depending on the analyst. In conclusion, CoinDataFlow projects the highest gain with 5.6% increase in value by March 10. In short, you could earn between $1 and $56 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, CoinPrice Forecast leads with a 93.3% probability of success. Combining all five forecasts, I've prepared a single consensus outlook. Consensus trends suggest Bitcoin Cash could move downward by 2.8% toward $438.65. Here's the breakdown. Consensus view highlights a 2.8% fall in price. With that change, your capital could likewise see an increase of 2.8%. A 1,000 investment could illustrate a profit of about $28 in this case. And in this scenario, the consensus forecast is given a likelihood of about 78.3%. Let's turn now to how analysts describe the near-term path over the 3 days. CoinPrice Forecast believes no significant shifts are coming. Bitcoin Cash may advance, Trader Sunyan also notes. According to 30 rates, the market is likely to trend downward. Similarly, CoinLore points to further weakness. Similarly, CoinDataFlow believes the chart points to a decline. By aligning individual forecasts, the consensus underscores a downward bias for Bitcoin Cash. Bringing these perspectives together, the majority expect Bitcoin Cash to decline. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $443. 3 out of 5 analysts aligned with the actual market trend. The prediction that stood closest to reality came from Digital CoinPrice. Let's break it down now. The daily range matched 2 forecasts. Looking at ROI, some forecasts closed in the green, and the highest figure was 1%. Here's the full recap table. The entire set of results shown together. With 58.8% forecast probability and $16.14 accuracy, CoinDataFlow achieved an ROI of 1%. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Let's see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow compare among Bitcoin Cash and a few other cryptocurrencies. In tomorrow's forecast ranking, Bitcoin Cash stands at 4th place, and AVE tops the list with 4.1%. What you see here is a sample of 5 coins, and a wider comparison of profitability among many cryptocurrencies will also follow soon on my website. That's all for now. Subscribe to keep the chain going and see the full picture. Catch you in the next summary.